These are the LUDOS Clamor. They're wired earbuds that you can pick up on Amazon. Oh, did I mention that this isn't a review video? That's right, cause your boy got sponsored. Thank you, LUDOS, for sponsoring today's video. So instead of a review video, we're gonna be talking about these earbuds and what makes them interesting. These are wired earbuds that usually go for about $30, but right now you can pick them up for a lot cheaper at $16. Not a bad price. Looking for a different color option? Well, they've got 11 of them. In fact, they actually sent me 8 different options. We've got blue, we got purple, we got orange, we got turquoise, we got red, and I'm just dropping them everywhere. Anyway, we got black, we got pink, and we got yellow. So if you couldn't tell, I kind of have a lot of them. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. Who knows? Perhaps. Just stay tuned. Unless y'all don't want to give away because of COVID and everything. But if that is something that you're interested in and you do want to do one, then leave it down in the comments below. But yeah, there's 11 different color options to choose from to match your style. Or if you're like me and lack any semblance of style, you can just go with all black. You also get a nice little mesh bag matching the color of the headphones that you chose. So that's nice. So let's talk about features, because I'm supposed to say things to get people to buy this product. Yeah, for these earbuds, built into the cable of the microphone, you get a play pause button, volume up and volume down, as well as a microphone. So you can film those, TikToks where you speak directly into your earbuds like this and do all your voice work like this. The cable of which is actually scored to make it look like a braided cable, which is a really interesting detail. The most interesting feature about these earbuds are their ear tips. While it does come with traditional rubber ear tips in various different sizes, the main selling point is the memory foam ear tips. The color of the memory foam ear tips are based on whatever color you chose. So if you chose blue, you get blue ear tips. And they're meant to better conform to the shape of your ears as opposed to rubber ear tips for when you're wearing them for longer periods of time. And no, just because they're memory foam doesn't mean they can remember the last song you were listening to. But why would you want wired earbuds in 2021? Why not just get wireless Bluetooth earbuds? Well, first off, these are a lot cheaper. There's no batteries that you need to charge and no Bluetooth that you need to connect to. And believe it or not, some technology still uses a 3.5mm jack, like a Nintendo Switch or a CD player or a Walkman or an audio recorder. The list just goes on and on. Even for me, I brought these with me to work recently because I needed wired earbuds and not wireless Bluetooth earbuds because I didn't need to deal with charging it or connectivity and all that stuff. I just needed something that would plug in, stick in my ear, and I could plug in and listen over the comms. So there's still a need for wired earbuds depending on who you are. Here's also some of the technical specs if you're interested in any of that. I mean, if you couldn't tell, we've got a 3.5mm jack and you use this to connect it into whatever device you're going to be using. No need for Bluetooth or any sort of pairing. The cable is also about 120 centimeters long, or if you're an American, 1/100th of a football field. Easy math. I mean, really, why even measure anything using the metric system? Why not just use football fields? I don't get it. I'll live and I'll die by the pigskin. Go Clippers. If you're interested in picking up your own, scroll down into the description box and click the links. It's all down there. And maybe if you buy a pair, they'll work with me again. LUDOS? Anyway, thank you again to LUDOS for sponsoring today's video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.